If you're a B2B founder with early traction, but unsure if you have product market fit or which channels to test, this masterclass is for you. Hi, I'm Priyanka.
And I'm Bhavna.
In November, a select group of founders joined our first session to learn how to build a solid foundation for growth. They walked away with clarity on their ideal customers, product market fit, and how to scale. We're now back with more examples, extended Q&A, and this full toolkit.
So start 2026 with a strategy that works. Register now.